Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a mask to your video in the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project, and if you want to add the mask to your video, go to the lower bar, tap to the edit button at the lower left corner, and here you can find the mask option next to the retouch. Tap that, and here you can find the horizontal, mirror, circle, rectangle, heart or stars mask, and just select one, click that, and if you finish, just click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.